Here's how you can make buttered popcorn kulfi.
Kulfi is basically like ice cream.
And it's a very popular frozen dessert
Here in Pakistan.
We're in Pakistan, and you know it's my cheat day.
Let's go. Let's pop some corn. Let's light the stove. Nice low medium heat. So this is our buffalo milk. Popcorn's done. Let's get it into the milk. All right, time to infuse our milk with the butter popcorn. All right, now the milk is infused with the popcorn. Let's give this a strain. And we got butter popcorn milk, bro. This is the key, this stuff here. That's all the flavor.
Let's add the popcorn mixture back into the pot. And to that, let's add some koya, some milk solids, and some sweetened condensed milk. You want to reduce this on low to medium heat until it gets kind of thick.
Gotta taste everything, see how it goes. Popcorn flavor's there. Could use a pinch of salt. And we're also gonna add in a little bit of condensed milk, a little more. Check it out when you're working in a desi kitchen. If you're adding a bit of salt, you're probably adding a bit of chili flake too. We're gonna put down some popcorn for two reasons. One, it's gonna reinforce the popcorn flavor, but the other thing too, it looks cool. So we're now gonna fill up our molds. Yo, let's get this in the freezer overnight. Excuse me, fellas. I kind of feel like I'm at a movie and I see like a little kernel in there. It's interesting. I like it.
How did you even come up with this idea?
Catering back in the day, used to do butter popcorn creme brulees. And then coming here thinking of ice cream flavors for the restaurant, I was like, yo, butter popcorn ice cream. So seeing as you're the Kulfi guy, we thought we'd do this.